Hi, my name is Aqmal, and I completed a software engineering degree at the University of Adelaide. So I actually have a friend that works here. He started off as an intern, and now he works at a team in material MRT. So he actually recommended me to Maptek, and he also just said great things about it overall. So I think it was just a good opportunity for me. So I've been working on Maptek fleet tracking system. It's essentially just tracking truck data, so just getting some GPS data regarding the trucks and using that to just model material movement. Obviously at uni, you get a hint of experience with all the tools and software methodologies, but you don't get any real experience. I think, personally for me, I found at Maptek, I got that real experience. So I think that was probably the most interesting thing for me. How helpful my team was to me, because there was a few situations where I ran into problems and needed suggestions, and I just found that they were always happy to help me out. Learning the structures has probably been the hardest thing for me. So what I mean by structures actually is code structures, commenting structures, and documentation. You obviously do learn a bit at uni, but coming into industry, it's a bit different. And so that's probably the hardest thing for me. So there's two key learnings that I've gotten from this experience. The first one being is the exposure to the .NET framework. Knowing that industry uses them quite often, I think that's a pretty good one. And the second one being is the people skills. So working as part of my team, seeing how everything works in a team industry, I think is going to be amazing for me in my future. Just being okay with asking for help, I think is a big one. I think this experience will actually go a long way for my future, especially considering that I worked on a mobile app and moving forward, generally, we are going to see a lot more mobile apps coming out. So I can obviously do something of my own or look into industries that do work with mobile apps. And yeah, so I think it's going to be a great opportunity for me.